What's up guys, it's Tifa Tech. Today we've got S8 Ultra smartwatch which is having a 4G SIM card in it. So let's just unbox this thing. First we need to remove this thing. This is having full neutron Wi-Fi connection, golden 1 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. Same thing written on here. Box quality is good. Apple Ultra Watch copy, user manual. Okay, so overall this is the user manual you're gonna get. This is the how to install the application. Then we have got two straps. The first one is the white and the second one is the ocean with the orange color. Let's inside the box we have the charger, magnetic charger, and what is this? This is okay, qualified certificate, QC passed, that's all. Okay, let's just move this thing aside. Okay, this is the wrapper. There you go. This is the IMEI number. Okay, so overall this is the watch. And you know, there is no Apple Watch written over here. We have our original screws, but this is having smartwatch heart rate. And this is the overall SIM ejection. Okay, so this is how where you're gonna insert the SIM card. And this is the original button, this is the power button. Okay, so this is a little bit loose. Okay, let's just turn this thing on. This is how the display looks. Pretty much smooth compared to the other models. That's how it looks. These are the three watch faces you're gonna get. Digital contour, and this is the power button. Then this is the okay, so basically it's a overall Android phone you're gonna see inside it. Let me just focus this thing. And it's having Wi-Fi in it. I couldn't get my Wi-Fi connection signal over here. Okay, we have, okay, there you go. We have everything. Having this settings. These are the settings you're gonna get. Themes. Wallpaper. Desktop style. And nothing else. Then this is setting step counter, Google Assistant, Play Store in it. You can download applications, music. It's a normal music player. Then we have gallery to watch photos or videos. It's not having camera. One of them has also having camera in it. Phone call. If you're having SIM, you can call. Then you can chat. Put a SIM card and you can use the chat feature. Then you can use a calculator. Pretty much basic thing. Okay, you got the scientific calculator here, like this. Holy shit, this thing is great. And what else? That's all. This is the same Apple Android drop down menu. Okay, it came up with 60% battery, and right after using it's 59%. It means it's not having that much better battery life, but still for the full length review I'll use it for 1 or 2 days with SIM card. use the mobile data, and also we have another feature which is mobile data with hotspot. So I'm gonna use that thing. Okay, location services are turned on. Let's just turn this thing off to save a little bit battery. We have the data connection here, and once I believe I have the SIM card in it, I can use the mobile hotspot in it. Let me just get into the settings and check where is the hotspot. We even have browser. Okay, let's just get down settings, networks, hotspot. So there you have hotspot. You even have Wi-Fi hotspot sharing, which means you're connected with Wi-Fi. You can share the Wi-Fi hotspot with the other person. So in Pakistan we have non-PDF phones, which means that you are not going to use SIM card in that phone. Either you have to pay the tax for the SIM card, or you can use the phone with some secondary phone, or you can use only the Wi-Fi mod only. So these things are pretty much good. Overall, this thing is also not PD approved. You have to approve this thing later with the PD taxation. And then we have the SIM card, this speaker grill down below, and let's just use the straps. So stay tuned for the full length review. That's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.